All right, what's up, YouTube? We're back with the Wahl Vapor. We're gonna be cutting with it, and I'll come back and let you all know how I think about it. Yo, I want to interrupt just for a second. We just hit 600 subscribers. Pretty cool achievement. We're 400 away from being able to be monetized. So if we can hit 1,000 subscribers before, let's say before Thanksgiving, I will give away something. I don't know what I want to give away. It could be up to you guys. It could be, I don't know. It could be anything. Obviously, it'll be barber related, whether it be a pair of clippers or literally anything, whatever we think of. But I'll give away something if we can hit 1,000 subscribers before Thanksgiving. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll push it out to other people. Also share it with your friends, you know, your barber school friends, your barber, you know, anybody. And let's get back to the video. Peace. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the cut. That is it for the Wahl Vapor. I actually enjoy this thing a lot. The only thing I don't like is that it does not have clicks. It's just something to get used to, right? I've been using clicks for so long that it's like an autopilot. You know, when you hear it, you just click, click in the middle, click, click, you're all the way open. It doesn't have that, so you got to use a little bit more, like I don't want to say brain power, but you got to pay attention a little bit more when you're using this. It could be wherever, like when you're trying to find the middle, it could be like 3/4 of the way open. It could be like 1/4 of the way open. You just got to pay attention more. It runs nice. The guards are good. Comes with the premium guards, like I said in my previous video. Here's the clipper. It's very ergonomical, is that what they call it? You know, where it fits in your hand nice. Focus. It does have the F32 fade out blade. As far as Wahl products goes, I used the Senior, when I first started a couple years ago, the beast mode, if you guys don't know. If you know, you know about the beast mode. But I had that at first when I first started. But this is the second Wahl clipper that I've used. Very good clipper. Leave a like and comment if you guys have this and what are your thoughts on it. Let me know what you guys want to see as far as clipper reviews or haircut or anything you want to see on the channel. I'm open to suggestions. Obviously, I'll still be posting every week. For the haircut clip that's in this video, I will be posting a tutorial of it next week, I believe. If not next week, then it'll be the week after. If you want to learn how to do like the modern mullet, mohawk type haircut, stick around. I'll be back next week. Later.